Hey guys, welcome to the next video. In this video I'm going to show you how to pass basic level 8 in hack this site. And entering in this tutorial, click on the basic missions and scroll down to find basic level 8, and there. First, reading this, the password is yet again hidden in an unknown file. Sam's daughter has begun learning PHP and has a small script to demonstrate her knowledge. Requirements: knowledge of SSI, dynamic HTML executed by server rather than the browser. Click on this. So in this case, you wanna learn server side includes commands to execute this. And to learn this, you can get into the w3.org. I'll put the link in the description, don't worry. Here we are gonna write a command called executing command, exclamatory mark and double dash ash execute command called ls double dot slash, and don't worry, I'll put this command in the description. This executes the ls command in Unix or Linux. Click on submit and a small page like this will be shown. Your file has been saved. Please click here to view the file. And hi, and this is the file ls command that shows the directories. Temporary. Your name contains 39 characters, and this is the file where the password is hidden. Copy this and paste here. Click enter, and here's the password. Copy this and get to the basic level 8 again. Getting back into this a level 8 page, paste the copied password here and click on submit. And here, congratulations, you have successfully completed basic 8. Congrats. And to see the next challenge, just subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell icon so the next video will be notified to you using by your phone. Thank you for seeing this video. Bye.